When adding and subtracting fractions, it's easiest when the denominators are already the same. In this case, 1 3/5 plus 1 4/5, I'm going to add the whole numbers first. That gives me 2 whole. 3/5 and 4/5 gives me a total of 7/5. 7/5 is really 1 2/5, so my final answer would be 3 whole and 2/5. In this next problem, my denominators of the two fractions are not equivalent. So the first thing I need to do is rewrite them as equivalent fractions. I'm bringing my whole numbers over so that I don't forget them. I'm noticing 3 and 5 both go into 15, so I'm going to make equivalent fractions out of 15. 5 goes into 15 3 times, so I multiply this by 3. So I need to multiply the top by 3, so it's a form of 1. So 3/15 and 1/5 are equivalent. Here multiply by 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 2/3 and 10/15 are equivalent. I now add these down, 5 whole and 13/15. If I needed to simplify or reduce at this point, I could. I do not need to do that here. In this next problem, it's a subtraction problem. However, I can't take 3/8 away from 1/8, so I need to do some borrowing. I'm going to borrow from the whole and make this 6 whole. And I'm going to add on 1 entire whole in the form of 8/8. I now have a total of 6 9/8. Note that that's the same as 7 1/8, which is what I started with. And I'm going to subtract 3 3/8. The whole number subtract, that gives me 3. The fraction subtract, I get 6/8. I can go one more step to simplify this to get 3 3/4.